It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MSTX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these red and green lines are coming from. And today was by no means a bad day or anything. I mean, the price did ultimately pull back here. So there is some perspective here that goes into it. What do I mean by that? Well, if you are a day trader and you bought right there and you were hoping to sell within 11.2 seconds, then yeah, for you, the chart's looking kind of rough. But if you care about the big picture of things, you know, the overall grand scheme of everything, then the chart's still perfectly fine. The bulls have plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, and as I talked about in yesterday's video, that's what it's all about. From the big picture perspective, you want to see uptrends being built, and uptrends are built by putting in those higher lows. And like I said, the bulls still have plenty of opportunity to do exactly that. So I am going to do a little house cleaning here. And the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this green line here. And the reason for that is, you know, from the big picture perspective, keep an eye on that purple line. That really makes things, you know, pretty black and white, meaning as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health, however you can best visualize that. And now that the purple line has crossed above that green line, yeah, that green line still pertains to the chart for the reasons I talked about in yesterday's video. But from a presentation standpoint and not wanting to have 8 million annotations everywhere, just want to get rid of that. So keep an eye on that purple line. Again, that's that overall level of support. Ideally, if the price can maintain above this point right there at, right there at 9 cents. That would by far make the chart look the strongest going forward. But if the price does drop below 9 cents, by no means am I saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. That would just be, like I said, that preferable area that would make the chart look the strongest. Now, in terms of levels of resistance, had this red line here and quite a bit of congestion around the area. Price did get above it, but, you know, could not ever maintain above it. And that's what a true break is. True break has the two parts. First part, the obvious one. Well, yeah, price has to break above a certain level. But then the second part is the price has to be able to maintain above it, and the whole maintaining and staying above that level didn't quite happen. So right here at approximately 9.5 cents, that's still going to be that initial area of resistance, although we did get some more data. So if 9.5 cents can be broken, the next key one right up there at about 0.108, 0.109, or if you want to just call it 11 cents, that would work too. So all in all, not the best day given it did pull back, but that's just one day. When you take a step back and look at multiple days, you can see bulls still have a chance to build a higher base, and that's the name of the game. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.